Today we are going to discuss about how marketing agencies and founders do a one tiny little bit of mistake, and they eventually waste their time, money, effort, resources, and everything on that mistake, right? So the mistake is that many founders and agencies, they what they do is that they run a campaign, right? They do advertisement, they do the promotions and everything, but they don't know where it came from, or they usually use a, let's say, a notepad or a spreadsheet for their campaign tracking. Now this is not a bad stuff, like this is not the worst case. But if, let's say, that you are spending a $10,000 budget on a campaign and you don't know which campaign or the which source or which social media platform or which camp, which medium helped you to reach your, let's say, subscribers, customers, or potential clients. So that is like the waste of your effort, right? Because every time you're not going to spend $10,000 on the campaigns, right? It will pile up, and it will be kind of a waste of resources. Now this is not a human problem, this is not a a founders or a marketers problem, this is a spreadsheet thing, right? So people don't know that there is a tool which, as you can see, we call it linkutm. Now how it works, right? Let's just log in. Let me show you a quick demonstration of how link tracking is like very simple in 2026, right? Let's just simply create on click link, right? Simply just take any product. For example, we're going to take any product, right? We're going to take this product, and let's say that founders or marketing agencies are going to are okay, there has be a problem with the link, but let's say that they are going to, you know let me just copy this. They have to run this marketing for they have to run this campaign for this product, right? Let's say a Diwali campaign is going to be around this product. Just simply give it a short link. You can also use your own custom domains while after setting up domains in this domain section. You can give any name. Let's say we are going to give as a it was a cover, right? So let's just say pigeon Diwali. Okay, let's just give it as Pigeon Diwali, right? So you can give any short link. You can give it your whatever slug you want. Go to into UTM parameters. You can use custom templates, but let's say we are going to use it as Diwali sale. Let's say the source. Let's say we are going to give this on Instagram. We're going to run this campaign on Instagram. Let's say this, and this will be social, right? Or you can also give terms, content, whatever you write, right? This will be your preview, right? This will be how your UTM will look like. Simply just apply the parameter, and you can also give it a name and just create link. This is simple, right? Just simply copy this link. Simply just, if say, let's just post into the Instagram, and this is how your link will look like. I mean, compared to this big slug, I don't know like how many of the people are going to click on this, right? This looks a pretty well and very neat and very tidy link, right? Simply enter it, and as you can see, it redirected to that same page within a second. There was no loading, there was no extra external effort, or there was nothing. It is simply that quick and simply that easy. Let me just close this window. Now, as you can see here, we instantly get a total click one, unique user one. So the data, within seconds, right? Like in a snap of a finger, it stored your data, it collected your data, and it's showing into your dashboard, right? It gives you every information you wanted, the people, like the person who, like, it is in India, right? So yeah, so it also give you the location, and it also give you the referrers, the browser operating system on which the link was clicked, right? It also give you a desktop. If it was on let's say mobile phone, then it will be written here as mobile phone, right? And everything. So this is just one campaign for Instagram. You could create another link, you could give that copy this link, paste it over here. You can give it for Instagram, so let's say Facebook, that was for Instagram. Let's say one is for LinkedIn and everything. So this is how you can track your data, right? You can also go into analytics and it will give you the all the analytics of your links and everything on the same dashboard. You can also connect your GA4. You can give folders and tags for your better team management. You can also invite team members. Of course you can also invite team members and everything. So this is not a tool, it's a convenience, right? So use linkutm and get your campaign, your tracking into a streamlined manner so that the data is sorted, and the accurate data which the users and founders and let's say marketers want is going to be at the same place. Go to linkutm, try linkutm for free and enjoy.